Hello friends. So to use data on roaming, just go to settings. So once you go to settings, you can see there is something called Wi-Fi and network here. So just press Wi-Fi and network and go to SIM1 network. And in SIM1 network, you can see your both of your SIMs. If there are two SIMs, then you can see both of your SIMs. Select your SIM in which you want to enable roaming, in which you want to use data on roaming. So just select this, and here you can see there's something called roaming. Well, in my phone it is already enabled. By default it is actually disabled, because what happens is in roaming, if you use data or use call or use any services, it will be charged more by your carrier. So it is by default switched off. So whenever you are out of your state or you are in roaming area, out of your original area from where you have purchased your SIM card, you have to do this exercise. That is, go to the settings and enable connect to data services when roaming. You have to enable this. So once you switch on allow data roaming, you may incur significant charges. Okay, no problem. So this is how you can use your data in roaming. So once again I tell you, I go back, just go to your settings and go to Wi-Fi and network, or in your phone or model it could be something else like internet settings or network settings, something like that. So just press here network and go to SIM1 network. Once you go here, and you can see, and you can select the particular SIM in which you want to enable roaming. Just click here and you can check if it is switched off. Just switch it on and you'll get some message like you may incur significant charges. It's okay for you. Just press OK and now you're good to go. So friends, this is how you can use data while you are in roaming. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. Keep watching Infotainment. We'll be coming up with more of such informative technical videos. So keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.